Welcome to Snack English. Today we practice shadowing together.
Shadowing is simple. You listen and speak at the same time. It helps you speak faster and with a better accent. You don't need to study grammar rules. You just need to copy our voices.
After that, it's your turn. Your goal is to speak exactly with us.
One important tip: don't stop. Even if you don't understand a word, just keep moving your tongue. Try to catch the rhythm of the sentence. If you practice this every day, your English will become much smoother. Let's start. I am learning something new every day.
I am learning something new every day.
My English is getting better and better.
My English is getting better and better.
I enjoy practicing with Adam and Sarah.
I enjoy practicing with Adam and Sarah.
I'm from New York, and I've lived here all my life.
I'm from New York, and I've lived here all my life.
I live in a small apartment in Brooklyn.
I live in a small apartment in Brooklyn.
I take the subway to work every morning.
I take the subway to work every morning.
My neighborhood is very busy and loud.
My neighborhood is very busy and loud.
I'm 25 years old.
I'm 25 years old.
People say I'm a very friendly person.
People say I'm a very friendly person.
I have a big family with 2 brothers.
I have a big family with 2 brothers.
I'm the oldest child in my family.
I'm the oldest child in my family.
I love living in a big city like this.
I love living in a big city like this.
I work as an assistant in a big office.
I work as an assistant in a big office.
I'm a student and I study every day.
I'm a student and I study every day.
I've had my job for 2 years now.
I've had my job for 2 years now.
My office is located in the city center.
My office is located in the city center.
I'm looking for a new job these days.
I'm looking for a new job these days.
I work from home 3 days a week.
I work from home 3 days a week.
I finished college a few years ago.
I finished college a few years ago.
I want to study business in the future.
I want to study business in the future.
I'm learning how to manage my time better.
I'm learning how to manage my time better.
I really like the people I work with.
I really like the people I work with.
I think I'm a very hardworking person.
I think I'm a very hard-working person.
I'm a bit shy when I meet new people.
I'm a bit shy when I meet new people.
I usually wake up very early.
I usually wake up very early.
I learn new things very quickly.
I learn new things very quickly.
I always try to be on time for meetings.
I always try to be on time for meetings.
I like to stay positive and happy.
I like to stay positive and happy.
I always check my work twice.
I always check my work twice.
I enjoy working with a group of people.
I enjoy working with a group of people.
I can stay calm when I'm busy.
I can stay calm when I'm busy.
I love asking questions to learn more.
I love asking questions to learn more.
In my free time, I like to go for a walk.
In my free time, I like to go for a walk.
I love watching movies on the weekend.
I love watching movies on the weekend.
I always start my day with a cup of coffee.
I always start my day with a cup of coffee.
I like taking photos of the city streets.
I like taking photos of the city streets.
My favorite thing to do is eat out with friends.
My favorite thing to do is eat out with friends.
I love reading books before I go to sleep.
I love reading books before I go to sleep.
I go to Central Park when the weather is nice.
I go to Central Park when the weather is nice.
I'm learning how to cook Italian food.
I'm learning how to cook Italian food.
I listen to music while I'm on the bus.
I listen to music while I'm on the bus.
I like listening to stories about history.
I like listening to stories about history.
I want to speak English fluently one day.
I want to speak English fluently one day.
My goal is to save money for a trip.
My goal is to save money for a trip.
I'm trying to be more organized at home.
I'm trying to be more organized at home.
I hope to visit London next summer.
I hope to visit London next summer.
I'm trying to exercise more often.
I'm trying to exercise more often.
I want to help people in my community.
I want to help people in my community.
I'm always looking for a new hobby.
I'm always looking for a new hobby.
I'm excited about my plans for next year.
I'm excited about my plans for next year.
I want to spend more time with my family.
I want to spend more time with my family.
We are the Snack English family. Great work! You finished all 50 sentences. Don't worry if some sentences were fast. Just play the video again and try one more time. The more you repeat, the easier it becomes.
Make sure to practice this video at least once a day this week. You will be surprised how much your speaking improves. Don't forget to subscribe to Snack English for more practice. See you next time.
See you next time!